Good day. My name is Maria Sofia Chan. I am a dedicated and compassionate nurse, graduate from Liceo de Cagayan University. I am eager to apply nurse at NMNC with my strong foundation in patient care and my passion for service. I am eager to contribute your esteemed institution. Throughout my academic journey, I have gained my hands-on experience providing quality patient care, administering medications, and assisting in various medical procedures. My clinical rotation have allowed me to develop strong critical thinking skills, adaptability, and a deep sense of empathy toward patients. As a former president of my last year block, and I have also enhanced my leadership and teamwork skills, ensuring my effective communication and collaboration with both peers and healthcare professionals. I believe that these qualities combine my commitment to continuous learning make me a strong candidate for this position. I am eager for the opportunity to be part of your healthcare team and contribute to provide excellent patient care. I would love to enhance to have the chance to discuss how my skills and passion align with your institution's goals. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response.